second standard, subject Max, term 3, chapter 1, division. Division means sharing equally or making equal groups. Total number of sweets, 15. Total number of girls, 3. How many chocolates I give to each one? Yes, I give to 5 chocolates for each one. How? You say 3 table up to we get the answer 15. Say 3 table children. 3 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. So I gives to 5 chocolates for each one girl. Is it clear, children? Hi children, how are you? I hope all are fine. Now we see about the subject is maths. Discuss about the chapter is chapter 1, division. Division means sharing equally or making equal groups. I say again children, what is division? Division means sharing equally or making equal groups. Now we see the sums. Divide by subtracting on the number line. I say again children, divide by subtracting on the number line. The given sum is 8 divided by 4 equal to dash. We use the number line and do the sum. This is the division symbol. Division symbol. Okay children, 8 divided by 4 equal to dash. You start with 8. 8 to you jump 4 times. Okay, divided by 4, so you jump 4 times. 1 2 3 4. So you jump 8 to up to 4. This is first jump. Next jump, again you jump 4 times. 1 2 3 4. You draw a curve. This is second time. How many times you jump here? Yes, 2 times. So we get the answer is 2. Another one method is you say 4 table. 4 1 is 4. 4 2s are 8. So you write 2. We get the answer is 2. Is it clear children? See the next Roman children. Divide by using repeated subtraction. 15 divided by 3 equal to dash. You write 15 minus 3. What is the sum? Divide by using repeated subtraction. 15 minus 3. You say after 3 up to 5. 3 after 4, 5. How many fingers? 2. So you write 2. You write 1 here. 15 minus 3, we get the answer 12. How many times first you do the process? This is first time. So you write 1. Again you subtract 3. 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3, you say after 3 up to 12. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers I put it here? How many fingers you count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you write 9. This is the second time. Next. Again you subtract 9 minus 3. You say after 3 up to 9. Say after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We get the answer 6. 9 minus 3. We get the answer 6. This is the third time. Next. Again we subtract 3. 6 minus 3. 3 after up to 6. 3 after 4, 5, 6. We get the answer 3. Next 3 minus 3. This is the fourth time. 3 minus 3. We get the answer 0. This is the fifth time. How many times we do this process? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times we do this process. So the answer is 5. Therefore 15 divided by 3, we get the answer is 5. I say another one method. You say full table, we get the answer 15. Okay, you say the 3 table, we get the answer 15. Okay, 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. So you write 5 here. Our answer is correct. Okay, how will we check our answer? You say the 3 table up to we get the answer 15. Is it clear, children? First you do the sum, we get the answer up to 0. How will we check the answer? You say the 3 table up to we get the answer 15. Say 3 table, 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So our answer is correct. Is it clear, children? Roman children, write the division facts for these multiplication facts. I read again, children. Write the division facts for these multiplication facts. What is the given sum? 2 into 7 equal to 14. 2 sevens are 14. You write the division facts. 14 divided by 2 equal to 7. You say 2 table, 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14. Okay, children? Okay, children? They gave multiplication facts. You write the division facts. 14 divided by 2 equal to 7. Another one division fact is 14 divided by 7 equal to, you say 7 table, 7 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14. We get the answer is 2. Okay, children? What is this? This is dividend. D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. I say again, children. This is dividend. D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. Dividend. This is divisor. D-I-V-I-S-O-R. Divisor. This is divisor. D-I-V-I-S-O-R. Divisor. This is quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. Quotient. I say again, children. This is dividend. This number is divisor. We get the answer is quotient. This sum also all division sums. The first number is dividend divided by, this is division symbol. The next number is divisor. We get the answer is quotient. Is it clear, children? See the next Roman, children. Use long division and write the quotient and the remainder. I read again, children. Use long division and write the quotient and the remainder. See the first sum, 11 divided by 2. Second sum, 32 divided by 5. Now you do the sum. You say 2 table. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. We have 11 only. So 2 table convert 5 times only. 5 2s are 10. Now you subtract. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So, quotient. Quotient. Write the short form. Q only enough. Equal to 5. Next, remainder. 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 R only enough, children. That is 1. Is it clear, children? See the next sum. 32 divided by 5. You say 5 table. 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 6 are 30. 5 7s are 35. But our given sum 32 only have. So 6 times only converted. 6 5s are 30. Now you subtract. 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. So quotient Q equal to 6. Remainder R equal to 2. Is it clear, children?